Hi guys, how are you all? Hope fine. So guys, today I'm gonna show you the secret rooms in Brookhaven RP. So let's start our video. So first secret room is in the hospital. You can see this hospital. In this hospital there is a secret room. Look, you can see this. Wait, let me show you. This is the secret room. First secret. There is two secret rooms in the hospital. I think which second secret room I'm going to show you didn't see that. I hope so. Oops. Sorry guys. First we will cheers. Okay, now done. Now we'll go up and then we'll jump. Oh my god, we haven't joined. So let's see. So guys, we are in. Now we will see the secret room. You can see here. My sister is sitting with me. She's also playing Brookhaven. Look, somebody's died. OMG. She's my sis. She's also the YouTuber. You can see her channel. Let me tell you what's her channel. Okay, I'm sorry guys. I'll tell you later when the video ends. I'll tell you the name of her YouTube channel. So let's see the secret room. Okay, have you seen the whole secret room? Done. So let's go to the second secret room. So guys, the second secret room is here. Can you see the enter? Now we'll go in X-ray. Now can you see this X-ray machine? Oops. Oh no. So scary me. So scared. Okay, now I'm fine. So can you see this X-ray machine? We'll jump into it. And then we'll go in. You can see the second secret room also. Okay, you have seen this upper part, okay? Now you will go down. I'll show you how. First you will lay down, okay? Now can you see this blue button? Let me show you. Can you see this blue button? You'll just click it. You're gone down. OMG. Look. There's some light shining into my hand because we're in water. Look. See, you'll jump and see upper part. And then leave the jump part and look, your team very upper side. So guys, there's one thing that it's very disgusting. There's not any outdoor, sorry. So you have to reset the corrector. Oopsie. So let's check our third secret room, okay? So guys, we are gonna do the third secret part. I have a third secret room. I have shown you two secret rooms. So now we are gonna in helicopter. In airport. Okay, so we are going in airport. Yay! Now we are going in airport. Okay, we are here. We go here. So we'll go in. So after that we'll go and wash. So we will go in the washroom. You can see this third secret part. Okay, are you ready? Look, it's very small secret room. It's also some boring. If you are playing hide and seek, so you can come here and be hide. So let's go to let's go to the fourth secret room. Are you ready? So let me meet you in the fourth secret room. Bye. So guys, we are here in this home. You can see this home. Yeah, select this home. There is a secret room. This is the fourth secret room. Okay, let's go in. Thanks, sis. Yes, let's come to this washroom. And then you can see that. Here's our secret room. Look, you can see the secret room. OMG. Here's also the secret room. You can see this whole. If you want to hide, if you want to play hide and seek, so you can. So you can came here and be hide. Okay. So our fifth secret room. We'll meet you in our sixth secret room. Bye. So guys, sorry, I was saying the sixth secret room, but it wasn't the sixth secret room. It's the fifth. Okay, now we are in the fifth secret room. So we will go up. Have you seen this home? So we will open this home and then we will go at the upper room and then we'll go to the washroom. Okay. After that we will open backpack and then take out box. Okay. So after that we will be small. Okay. Oops. You can see the secret room. When I was playing this game, so when I came here, there wasn't a secret room. When I saw that there was a secret room, I was shocked, guys. So I'm out now. You can see the fifth secret room. Now I said you that when you play hide and seek, so you can also hide there. Yeah. Now we'll go to show you the sixth secret room. There's my home and there was my sister's room. So now I will meet you at the sixth secret room. Okay. Bye. So hi guys, I'm here back. Now I'm going to show you the sixth. Yeah. We will go to the upper side. You can see here 24 house numbers. So we will go here at the back. Yeah, hi. Oops. Okay, now we'll go here. I doesn't. Where are you? No. Have you seen me? Yeah, you're here. I'll follow you. Okay, sister. OMG. OMG. Oh no. Let me reset. Correct. Yeah? Guys, it was really disgusting. I didn't know that here's a secret room. My sis tell me that here's also a secret room. It's just little fun. Okay, we are here. Have you seen the sixth secret room? Now we are going to show you the seventh secret room. Bye. We'll meet you there. Hi guys. So I want to tell you something. It's not shocking secret room. It's just little. Okay, come here. I'll show you the secret room. You will go here. Go. Oops, you fall down. It's just a little, not shocking secret. It wasn't a shocking news. Yeah, I'm here. Wait, I'll come to you. I am outside, okay? Guys, if you know that there's any secret room in the Brookhaven school, so please comment in the section box. In the comment section box, okay? So let's go for the 7th secret box. Oops, she's just so the next secret room. Oh yeah, guys, the 7th secret room is in. I'll show you. Bye. I'll show you later. Lol. So guys, hi. I'm here. Cleaners. You want to go in the cleaners? After that, let's read the notice. Notice out of the yeah. So we'll go here. Okay, guys, look. Here's something. We'll go down and after it, we'll click. No, negative like this. Light. We'll click this. OMG. You can see this. Sorry, I didn't tell you that what we'll click. Wait, let me cross it out. Yeah, can you see this light? Can you see this light? This one light. Can you see this light? We'll open it. We'll open it. Oops. We'll open it. We'll go. Can you see this? Can you see it? We can close it from here. You can see the secret room 7-6. Guys, there are so many secret rooms. Oh, gee, there's a bomb. So you can sit here. If you want to see the full picture from the thing, if you want to see full place of look, first it's police camps. After that, police camps. After Venus, you can see the roster of what they all are doing. After that, swimming. After daycare and then forestry, and then the full ground we can see, and then the hospital, and then the roads that people are going on. And after that, ice shop, and then boarding, and then police station. So there's full halls and art, and there's here some boy standing. I think he's arrested. Lol. And he also here. Okay, you can see by yourself, guys. So now we'll click this button to off this. We'll click this jump button, okay? Click it. Ding, ding. So guys, it's a little boring place. So let's go out, okay? Click it. Jump here and very. You can see that eight secret rooms. See the 7th secret room. You want to go here? OMG, you're in the. Oh no, sis, why you banned? Why you robbed? Oh no, I will be banned now. So guys, if you have any, please comment in the section. I want to meet some people. Hi, all and good. I want to be right. It was at back of the bank. Now I'll show you the 8th secret box. I think it's 8. 8? Okay, 9. Okay, guys, I was forgetting. There are many secret box. I'm forgetting the names of the secret box. So let's meet you there at the 8th secret box. Bye. So guys, I'm at the 9th secret box at home number 14. I don't know who's he. We'll need to go in. Oh no, it's not open. Okay, come on. Carry me fast. I didn't go to your. I can't. You can. Wait, I'll carry you. I don't know. So guys, we are in this house. You can see this home. So we'll go. Oh my god. Now we'll go to this room, and after that, we are here. You can see we can sit and just do disco dance. And we can also sit here. Oh my god, you cheat. No, robbing is bad. Oops, I can't go out. No sis, I will not rob. I will not. Is there any more? Oops. Oh my gosh. Oh no. You got it out, but I didn't. Take me out. Okay. Okay. No guys, I think so the secret rooms are enough. Finished. If you got any more secret rooms, please tell me at the comment section. Please tell me, okay? I love you guys and please keep supporting me. Yeah, I want to tell you the name of my sis channel. So let me tell you. Wait, So guys, if you like my videos, so please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And you know there's raining outside, it's too nice weather. So guys, I'll tell you the channel of my sis. It is Dua dan all is capital. Okay guys, this is the channel name. This is the channel name. Please subscribe to her channel and like, thumbs up. Okay, bye guys. Miss you, love you. Bye bye.